give her. Let's give it up for Erene.
Hi everybody, so my name is Erene, that's E-R-E-N-E, and I'm gonna sing some songs for you tonight, all right? All right, this first one, it's an original, and it's called One More Try. Ready? This song is for all those people who have been in situationships. And if you want to be done with them, I suggest you pick up the phone and you say, don't try to play me, 'cause I ain't your instrument, your instrument. Don't know how we got stuck in this predicament, predicament. Lately I've been feeling like this is too much. Oh, fussing and fighting. Look what you're doing to us. No, I don't want to get used to this love. Love. Nothing you thought was enough. No, I don't want to get used to this. Give one more try, that's what I used to tell myself, to tell myself. Now I know it hurts when you see me with someone else, with someone else. Can no one hold you down the way that I could? But that's fine, so go find somebody else you think would. No, I don't wanna get used to this love. Nothing you thought was enough. No, I don't wanna get used to this love. I